Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Modern sliding wardrobe design is a testament to both functionality and aesthetics, offering a sleek and space-efficient solution to contemporary storage needs. This innovative design approach transforms the conventional wardrobe into a stylish and practical element of modern interior spaces, seamlessly integrating with diverse design styles while optimizing space utilization. At the core of modern sliding wardrobe design is a commitment to minimalism and clean lines. Sliding doors, often made of materials like glass, mirror, or sleek panels, contribute to the overall streamlined aesthetic. The absence of visible handles or ornate details further enhances the modern and uncluttered look, making these wardrobes an ideal choice for contemporary interiors. Modern sliding wardrobes often include a combination of hanging rods, shelves, and drawers, providing versatile storage solutions. Interior configurations can be customized to accommodate specific needs, from ample hanging space for clothing to dedicated compartments for accessories, shoes, and other items. This flexibility ensures that the wardrobe meets the unique storage requirements of the user. Lighting is an integral part of modern sliding wardrobe design, adding both functionality and a touch of luxury. Integrated LED lights or discrete spotlights can be incorporated to illuminate the wardrobe's interior, making it easy to locate items and creating a boutique-like atmosphere. Lighting options can be customized to complement the overall lighting scheme of the room. Mirrored sliding doors are a popular choice in modern wardrobe design, serving a dual purpose of functionality and style. Mirrors visually expand the space, reflecting light and creating a sense of openness. Additionally, a full-length mirror on the wardrobe door eliminates the need for a separate dressing mirror, contributing to the efficiency of the design. The exterior design of modern sliding wardrobes can be tailored to complement the overall interior theme. Whether it's a monochromatic color palette that seamlessly blends with the walls or a bold accent color that makes a statement, the wardrobe becomes an integral part of the room's design language. Textured or patterned doors can add visual interest, creating a focal point within the space. In conclusion, modern sliding wardrobe design embodies a perfect synergy of form and function. This contemporary approach to storage solutions not only maximizes space efficiency but also elevates the overall design aesthetic of the room. With a focus on clean lines, innovative materials, and customized configurations, modern sliding wardrobes are a stylish and practical addition to modern interiors, offering a seamless and efficient storage solution tailored to the needs of contemporary living.
In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!